I am a retired music professor, and I have taught young women and men how to perform all over the world. And that was when I started having my hearing problems. And then my two sons, Michael and Jonathan, came over and said, "Mom, your grandchildren are just giving up. They have tried to catch you when you were going to say something, or they've asked you questions, and they've just given up." Well, I have to tell you that when a grandmother hears that, that really gets you moving. And that's how I started looking for someone who would fit with me and do the things that I needed in my life. And that's when I found Dr. Cox, and she's incredible. When I went to see Dr. Cox, I came in and I thought, well, I'm sure I'm having a few problems, but I'll just let her, check me out. After I said, well, how'd I do? She said, "You're really good at pretending." And that made a huge difference, because I thought I was doing pretty well. And now I go anywhere I want. I listen to anything I want, and it's all because of Dr. Cox. Why do we think that this isn't as important as seeing your doctor because you have a heart problem or because you have some other problem? Why do we put hearing after that? Why do we sometimes take somebody else's hearing aids and just put them in because we think that will solve the problem? Well, I think one of the reasons is that we're a little frightened, that we really think maybe it's not as important as what it should be. But I can tell you, at least go and have your hearing checked.